The vehicle has a wireless charging pocket in the centre console that charges compatible mobile devices. When operating the system, the vehicle must be on, in accessory mode, or retained accessory power must be active. First, remove all items from the charging pocket. The system may not charge if there are objects between the mobile device and charging pocket. Then place the mobile device inside the charging pocket, facing towards the rear of the vehicle. A sign will appear on the infotainment display to indicate the mobile device is correctly positioned and charging. If the device does not appear, remove the device from the pocket and wait 3 seconds before turning the device 180 degrees and placing it in the pocket again. On the rare occasion that the charging system doesn't detect an object and the object gets wedged between the phone and the charger, remove the phone and allow the object to cool before removing it from the charging pocket to prevent burns. To check for device compatibility, refer to the compatibility chart under Downloads. Wireless charging can affect the operation of an implanted pacemaker or other medical devices. If you have one, it's recommended to consult with your doctor before using the wireless charging system.